Hello world, this is RandomFIX, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery on this style of Porsche key. This happens to be from a 2014 Porsche Cayman, but it's the same exact key for the 2010 Porsche Panamera, and it's really easy. And the number one thing you want to remember is to get this little guy out of your way when you're doing this. It's going to make it a lot easier. And we're going to be pressing on this to get the blade out, but your blade might be a little frozen from not being removed for years. So what you want to do is push down on this. At the same time, get yourself some sort of pry tool. I'm going to be using this little screwdriver right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and insert it, and I'm going to back this key out of here. And with this key out of here, I'm going to come now and slowly just work this back, and you might have to go sideways to sideways a few times to get it out, but it should just come out. The only thing that's really holding it in is that front right there. So when we're reinstalling it, we're going to push the front in first and then snap it down. But now we have access to our battery, and I'll have a link to the battery in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and remove this battery out of here, grab myself a new one, and show you guys that it's working. The best part about this is that you do not have to reprogram it. It should just be a simple battery change without any additional steps needed. Alright, so I got my new battery here, and I'm going to be popping this in. You want to just come in from this side and just put it in place just like that. And we're going to be grabbing our cover here, putting that front lip in right here, and we're just going to go ahead and push down gently. You do not want to use any tools while you're doing this. Put your blade back in, and you can see the LED indicator is working. Let me know if you guys have any comments. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.